Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, any day above y'all and not under, it's a blessed day. I need y'all to help me sing. Come on, we're gonna mukbang. What's wrong with Cara down there? Okay, y'all. Today I'm gonna do a quick little burping videos for all my peeps. I got my last 2 cans of SPRITE. So we're gonna make it work. I hope everyone is having a good weekend. When is the 4th? Holiday.
Next Thursday.
Holiday coming up. Cheers, y'all.
Was it this Thursday?
I hope I get some big burps.
I think it's this Thursday.
This just tastes extra sweet. Ooh. I guess you say let's turn the AC off.
No, I'm only saying it so you can hear it.
Oh. What is that? Is that the TV? Hold on. Tell them, child, please. I need to chug this thing out.
You want some help over here? That sounds like more than a burp.
In a minute, you're gonna get more than a burp. It's like,
Right there.
yeah. I don't know, these burps coming out lame as ever. I know I should have went outside and got soda.
Big pan.
I don't know. Who gives a...
Ready?
They not coming up. They down there.
Look at her trying to burp all come in. Look at her.
I can do it sometimes.
You can do it sometimes.
Sometimes. Now that's a big one. Yes. That's how I want them to come out. And even louder. It's been a minute since I did a burping video.
Yeah. Take it to the head. I say yeah.
I swear. Feel like I need me a beer or something.
That's all she likes to be liking to drink recently.
I haven't been drinking them.
Yeah, you haven't been drinking. But what's that beer you like? That one. It makes it real.
Yeah, that one.
I'm gonna have to look up your birth chart.
Why?
That's all I see.
Amen. Oh, that felt very good. Whew. I'm sitting.
Girl! all day rubbing her big old
swear, yo, Shoshana showed me a picture, like from when we first started mukbang. Oh my God, y'all! I put on so much weight, yo. Shit ain't even funny, yo. But it's alright.
That's because she be really enjoying the mukbang.
I do. Enjoying it too much, you heard? I know. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, I've been trying to get it together though. I've been trying to just do the one meal a day. Sometimes it works, sometimes it ain't working. You know, this morning I got up, I was really hungry. Amen. You get why you should have came in the video then if you want to come burp in my video.
I got hiccups.
Well, you should have came and did that.
Gotta wait for a hiccup.
Go put on a wig and come on.
No.
Go put on a wig and come on. Let's burp this out and you do your hiccups. Go.
I'm not going in the basement though.
Go. Unless you wanna come in the video with your head looking like
Mama, don't put me on last.
well, go slap on your cousins used to our shenanigans by now. Trust me.
Ain't no more hiccups coming.
If I do another burp and I hear you over there burp, you coming in. Stop playing it. Okay? Right.
I'm trying to help the video and you especially in the video. Yeah, you thought it was a burp.
No, it was right there. And then it said nope. Yeah.
That's the same way this hiccup feel. I just in my throat. It's like your eyes about to bulge out.
Yes. Woo!
You nursing yourself?
Gotta beat that chest. Yeah, baby. Well, I know it's some more down in there to come out because I drank 2 cans of them daggone sodas. Oh, oops. I know, right? Oh my word. I'm trying to see if something else gonna come up, but I think that's it. So how was y'all day today? Look at her. As soon as I said that, her arms dropped to the side. Oh my God. I know what she's thinking. She's saying, can you please just end the video? Hell no, I ain't ready in this bucket. Sure.
I can't tell what she. That's why I say I'm so predictable. Because my mom always just know how I feel. She can just look at me like, so you mad?
I know. I be telling her I like to sit and wait a little bit because I know it's gonna be another one coming.
You just let 2 or 3 humongous ginormous burps out.
So what that mean?
It's supposed to be some magical burp down there. Don't even try that. You know them suck. Look at that.
And the babies. Take that out. Oh my God. Hold on. My hands so daggone tight. I gotta oh my God. That's what I get for drinking 2 cans of sodas. Oh. I gotta let it loose, y'all. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. 2 cans of soda ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. I be how they chug a whole daggone 2 liter. That's a lot.
Mama, put the phone down.
Well, I gotta tell you who I heard from today, child.
Who you heard from?
Oh, hold on. Oh, hallelujah. I knew it was down there. Okay, now I can end the video. Bye, y'all.